Welcome to the City of Angels. SoFi Stadium is ready, and so is the chili.
Flav, that's not just a snack. That's a tactical masterpiece. Look at that melt!
Oh yeah. USA versus Morocco! Let's score a flavor touchdown with chili cheese fries!
To win in LA, you need the right roster. Here's our ingredients lineup.
Step 1. The potatoes. Peel them and slice them thin. Speed is key. Soak them in cold water for at least 30 minutes.
We need to wash away the starch for that mega crunch.
Dry them off! Water is the enemy of the fryer. Oil's at 335 degrees Fahrenheit. Time for the first fry.
5 minutes to set the foundation.
While they rest, let's make the chili. Chorizo and beef, the dream team.
Add diced onions and garlic. Sauté until the aroma fills the stadium.
Chili powder, oregano, and half a bottle of beer. Cheers!
Add the smashed tomatoes and sauce. Let it simmer for 20 minutes until it's thick and bold.
Now for the lava! Butter and flour. Let's build the roux.
Slowly whisk in the milk. No lumps allowed on this team. The cheddar! Drop it in. Watch it melt into liquid gold. Haha! The secret LA twist? Diced green chilies. Stir them in for that extra kick.
Fries back in! 375 degrees Fahrenheit for the final 3 minutes. Maximum crunch! Salt and pepper while they're hot! Toss them like a champion! The assembly. Fries first. A solid base.
Smother them with that rich chorizo chili!
Now the cheese lava. Pour it on!
Garnish with green onions for that fresh victory finish.
The SoFi special is ready! Touchdown!
Crunch!
Spice! Cheese! I'm in heaven!
The chorizo gives it deep flavor, and the green chilies are the perfect playmaker.
It's so good, I could eat the whole stadium! Wait, I'm already doing it.
Remember to whisk that milk slowly, or your cheese sauce will be benched.
The double fry is the MVP. It's still crunchy under all that sauce.
Use Morocco. This dish is the ultimate winner of the night.
Subscribe to Flav for more stadium-sized victories.
Like and share. Tell us, What's your favorite stadium snack?
Are you ready for the ultimate fries?
Let's get slicing! Perfect uniform cuts every time.
Now we fry them until they are perfectly golden. Soaking.
Right.
Fast cut, double frying. Get ready for some serious heat.
Now that is a perfect chili.
Ready for the ultimate melt?
Watch this cheese get super gooey.
Ready for the ultimate flavor? Fast cut, the big pour.
Now that's what all a perfect bowl. Always dry your potatoes thoroughly before frying for that extra definition crunch.
Cheers from LA!
Enjoy the match!
Welcome back to the FlavLab, where we make every dish pop.
Today we are bringing the heat. That is right, let us add some serious flavor.
Stay spicy. You think LA was wild? Get ready for the true magic of North Africa. The undisputed king of Moroccan flavor is here!